Hi, it's Maisha. I just wanted to say thank you to my mentor Sharon for always helping me with the homework, giving me good advice, and taking me to cool places for us to go have fun. You're the best. Thank you.
My name is Juju, and I wanted to thank Mike for always helping me with homework, giving me advice on how to become successful in life, and always being there for me. And I'm very thankful to have him in my life. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Alicia Paul, and I would like to thank Miss Michelle for always giving me good advices, and she's always there for me and my family.
Eric for always being there for me, always taking me out on special outings and inspiring me, always making me do everything that's right, and I'm very grateful for that. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Javante Pierre-Lewis. I wanted to say thank you to my mentor, Eric Grief, for always giving me advice, always helping me with things, and always wanting to help and bringing me out to places and always want me to have fun. Thank you.
This is a message from my mentor, Glenn. Thank you for being there for me, encouraging me, being supportive to me. You're the best mentor I've ever had, and I hope you have a good day.
My name is Sarah, and I would love to take thank you to Miss Anna for doing such good.
My name is Bianca, and I just want to say thank you to my mentor and for helping me with my homework and giving me advice and planning cool things for us to do together. You're the best.
My name is Alicia, and I want to thank Miss Maddie for taking me out